Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a journaling video. I'm so glad that you're here. So today we're going to be journaling in my regular size traveler's notebook. This is the traveler's edition. This one is the hotel one. And I thought that we would do a little bit of memory keeping in here. We'll do a couple of spreads and see kind of where we end up. So light your candles if you have them, grab your beverage. I'm just literally just having my coffee right now and just watching the snow outside. I'll insert a clip so that you see exactly what I'm seeing right now. So I hope that you're ready, you're cozy. I'm going to put some music on. I'm not really going to talk through a lot of this. I'll add a few comments as to what I'm using as far as supplies and all of that. But honestly, just enjoy, and I will see you at the end. So as we get started, I just wanted to quickly mention that the inserts that I will be using today is actually not a traveler's notebook insert. I have both a monthly and a weekly insert from Baum Kuchen, as well as the Journey is a Destination insert, which I've been using for quite some time. It's actually one of my favorite inserts, but I have to be really mindful of the type of pen that I'm using because, as you can tell, it's a craft paper with white grid, white dots. So it works really great if you really love that rustic look, but it takes a moment to find the right pen and sort of like the right elements to add in there. So I started a separate little weekly layout journal because first of all, I really love the quality of the paper. It's very soft, so it's a lot easier on most of my fountain pens. And also I just really love the layout. I think that it just works really well. You can use pretty much any medium on the paper. It definitely reminds me of the Tombow River paper, but it's not nearly as thin. And I started this so that I can literally just write about how I'm actually feeling. So it's very much a mental health journal. At least that's really what it's intended for. And just capture little moments within the day that I wouldn't necessarily want to create like a separate journal entry for. Here, the whole idea with Work in Progress was actually an article in the Breathe magazine, and it was all about sharing elements of your personal life when you go for interviews and things like that. So it was very much related to work. But the way that I'm really looking at Work in Progress has a lot more to do with acknowledging how far you've come, honoring how far you've come, and then also knowing that there isn't really an end destination in your progress, and really just honoring that we're constantly making micro movements of progress every single day, and that is sort of part of the practice essentially. You're just seeing me go through my Breathe magazine. I really love everything about this magazine. It's not only like really in tune with all of my values and the things that I believe in, but also the illustration is just absolutely stunning. I did lose quite a bit of the footage for the rest of the spread, so towards the end of this video I will show you a close-up of both the daily as well as this weekly layout so that you can kind of take a look at how it all turned out. This is pretty much all I wanted to share with you. I hope that you have enjoyed this different format of video that I'm making. If you want to see more journal with me, just let me know in the comments, and thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your beautiful day, whether you're in the snow or in the sunshine, and I'll see you guys again next time.